Hello, as a President Titan. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to get into TikTok Shop Creation Program. If you want to join TikTok Shop Creation Program and you don't know how to do that, in today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to do that. Without wasting much of the time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to go to your TikTok and log in your account. The next thing you need to do is to click on the searching button on the top of screen and type Creation search application. Once you search the button, the next thing you need to do is to click on view. Now go ahead and click on search there, and you can see the search there, and you click on creation. Creator search insight. Click on search. So here you're going to be creating search insights for 2025. You're going to be clicking on this red button, the first one. You can see that one is having the best 4.50 million. So here you're going to be creating a video. Let me just do something like this to show you how to do it. So once you have selected the video you want to use, you're going to be adding your location, the title, and make sure this hashtag creation search insights is on your description. So then you can now go ahead and post. So that is it on how to get into TikTok Shop Creation. If you like us to very under the video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to know how we create more help for the channel. See you guys next one. Bye.